Today we have a 2025 Chevrolet Colorado installed with a Whelen Legacy 48-inch light bar. It's all amber and it's hooked up to a Course C controller. Here we have it in just our standard front and rear warning pattern. Set up on slide number 3, go to slide 2. What that's going to do is got it set up just to flash the front of the bar. So as you can see, there's no rear flash. Slide 1 is set up to just flash the rear of the Whelen Legacy light bar. And of course, we got our traffic advisor left, traffic advisor right, our center out traffic advisor. It overrides. It should. These never show up well on video, but we've also got a DVI simmer option just for a slower flash pattern for the customer. And again, this is on a 2025 new body style Chevy Colorado Whelen Legacy.